Perched above the River Wye in the picturesque Monsal Dale, the Headstone Viaduct stands as a monument to both engineering prowess and enduring controversy. Its story is interwoven with the changing industrial landscape, Victorian ambition, and the ever-evolving relationship between humankind and nature. Born from the vision of the Midland Railway Company, the Headstone Viaduct emerged in 1863 as a crucial link between Buxton and Bakewell. Its construction, spanning 3 years, was a complex undertaking. Workers battled harsh weather and challenging terrain, carving the viaduct's path through the limestone cliffs. While lauded for its innovative design and skilled construction, the viaduct wasn't universally admired. Many, including renowned poet and critic John Ruskin, condemned it for disfiguring the natural beauty of Monsal Dale. Ruskin famously lamented, "There was a rocky valley between Buxton and Bakewell, once upon a time, divine as the Vale of Tempe. You enterprised a railroad through the valley, you blasted its rocks away, heaped thousands of tons of shale into its lovely stream. The valley is gone, and the gods with it. And now every fool in Buxton can be in Bakewell in half an hour, and every fool in Bakewell at Buxton. Which you think a lucrative process of exchange, you fools everywhere." Despite the controversy, the Headstone Viaduct served its purpose faithfully for over a century. Trains rumbled across its 5 majestic arches, transporting goods and passengers. However, the decline of heavy industry in the 20th century eventually sealed the railway line's fate. In 1959, the last train crossed the viaduct, leaving it silent and seemingly obsolete. Fortunately, the story doesn't end in abandonment. Recognizing the viaduct's historical and aesthetic value, conservation efforts began in the 1980s. The Peak District National Park Authority spearheaded the campaign, and in 2011, the Headstone Viaduct was reborn as part of the Monsal Trail. This scenic walking and cycling path transformed the once industrial structure into a beloved recreational amenity. But the viaduct's story goes beyond its visible grandeur. Tucked away below it lies the Headstone Tunnel, a hidden gem reopened to the public in 2011. Walking through its cool, cavernous interior offers a unique perspective on the viaduct's construction and a glimpse into its industrial past. Whether you see it as a testament to Victorian engineering, a controversial scar on the landscape, or a bridge between industry and recreation, the Headstone Viaduct remains an evocative element of Monsal Dale, forever etched in the Peak District's captivating history. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.